we have this ikich 1.7 litre electric kettle, model number CP188A. It has auto shut off and anti-dry boiling. It's described as having a blue LED light ring inside and one single button to open the lid. Let's have a look inside, shall we? And to the top of the box we have the electric kettle user manual, which is multi-language and is very detailed. There's quite a lot of protection, that's always good to know. We have the power base with cord, so that's the base to power the kettle. I like the stainless steel look, that's nice. And taking the wrapper off, we now have, ooh, I love the design. So yes, it's see-through. We do have a measurement measuring up to 1.7 litre. It's stainless steel to the bottom and top, along with the chrome handle, chrome button and stainless steel lid. Woo!
Make me a cup of tea, now!
That's exactly what we're going to do. But first, just to tell you, there's a nice little filter there, and we're going to fill it to capacity. Plug it in, and like we said, we're going to make a brew. So only after a very short time, as you can see on this little timer, the water boiled swiftly, even with it filled to that 1.7 litre capacity. The LED lights gave it a nice classy look. It has a great and stylish design. It has a large capacity and it brews your water real fast. Whether you're brewing water to make a coffee, tea, or even sterilising some water to put away for later, this ikich kettle certainly ticks all the boxes. It feels solid, sturdy, and doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon. The overall look, stunning. Now at this point in the video I usually do my rating out of 10. I'm not going to go on, it's a 10 out of 10 for this kettle today. Don't usually test products like this, but I'm glad that this has come my way. Now, I've seen the ikich brand on amazon.co.uk, and looking at a few of their products, they look like they actually do lots of quality household tech. And I think I will certainly be saving the ikich Amazon store saved into my bookmarks. I will certainly recommend this ikich kettle, and I will leave a link in the video description down below. So go ahead, click that link and go get yours. I'll also leave a few suggested products too, go and check them out. Some of those products in those links have been good for me and could be good for you too. Guys, thank you for watching today. Please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. Smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my new video, which will coming out kind of soon. Stay tuned for that. And well, thanks for watching. Peace!